Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 268, also known as kicked by experience. First, close Roblox completely. Make sure the game and the launcher are not running in the background. After that, open Roblox again and try to join the game one more time. This can fix temporary connection or session issues. Next, check if you are using any cheats, exploits, or third-party tools. Roblox has strong security, and it can detect these tools easily. If anything like that is running, turn it off or remove it from your system. Then restart your computer before launching Roblox again. Another common reason is using a VPN. Roblox may think a VPN connection is suspicious and remove you from the game. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off and connect using your normal internet connection. Then try joining the experience again. If the problem still continues, reinstall Roblox. First, uninstall it from your computer. After that, go to the official Roblox website and download the latest version. Install it fresh and then launch the game. These steps usually fix error code 268 and help you get back into your game without getting kicked. Thanks for watching.